BODDAMN. In this video, we're gonna be looking at how to actually get more active with your lifestyle. What's up, guys and gals? Chris with the BODDAMN channel. This channel is all about food, fitness, and how to live an active, healthy lifestyle. And in this video, we're gonna be looking at, some tips on how to sustain an active, healthy lifestyle. And one of the ways we're gonna do that is to look through the lens of one of my friends, Matt. Currently right now, Matt is kind of undergoing a lifestyle kind of revamp, and we are in week 5 of that whole thing. So Matt's been my friend for over 2 years now, and he has some, roadblocks just like anybody else into creating an active, healthy lifestyle. And I think it's interesting. In this video, we're gonna be going through some of those roadblocks. We're gonna be looking at how he is going to be overcoming them. And we are in week 5 of a pretty long program that I'm gonna help him with. So the first things first, let's get to the gym. Let's go see Matt. Let's get an awesome workout. At the gym, Matt just pulled up, and we're gonna smash a kind of full body workout today. Should be a lot of fun. Before we get into that workout, that's right, it's pre-workout time. The channel sponsor, the best sponsor of all, Organic Muscle. There it is. They sent me this fantastic Tornado pre-workout mixer. There's their organic pre-workout right there. Oh, it's so good. Great, no jitters, organic, natural. And there it goes, it's going through. Woo, that looks good. Passion fruit guava one that you can go check out. The link will be down below to save 10% with code BODDAMN. That's right, you could save money and have this amazing pre-workout. It's really good. I mean, it tastes amazing. It's natural. It tastes incredible. Okay, let's get in the gym and knock out this workout. There's Matt.
What's up?
That's right. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that arm. Look at that definition on it. So this is again 5 weeks into the program. And you ready to smash a workout today?
Yes, sir.
We're doing like a full body. Today's like a heavy day, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we're doing a full body, heavy day kind of stuff. Make sure that the testosterone secretes real good in our bodies. And we'll get to the house and we'll give you those lifestyle tips and all that kind of stuff. We're doing some interesting things today. Pre-cooking meals too, right? Yeah, so we're gonna do some fun stuff, and make sure you stick around and you'll see exactly what he's going through and how it can help you out as well. Amazing workout. Matt, how'd you feel? We did a lot of weight,
good,
right?
Man, feeling good.
Yeah, so what we're doing today, look at that. All right, we're pre-making meals, and we're doing the fast version right here. We have some grass-fed beef sirloin from Costco. We're gonna be doing about a half can of beans, a little bit more than a half can in each one of these things. We're making 5 meals right now. We have coated this thing with olive oil, and we're gonna be putting some grass-fed beef onto there, and then later in the day, Matt's gonna be putting some broccoli at his own time in these meals as well. These meals will save Matt time from going out. It'll save him money, first of all. Obviously, we're making them right here. It'll save him time as well, because he won't have to think like, what should I eat today? What should I put together? It's all gonna be pre-made, so that's a really good way to lock in solid gains and get your nutrition under wraps. Now this isn't solid gains. And honestly, we start our first meal of the day typically with eggs and spinach. You can find the meal on my channel. It's called like the perfect muscle building breakfast. There's also hybrids of that we built. What we're building right now are options for midday meals, so that way he doesn't have to go to, like, let's say Chick-fil-A or a taco place or anything like that to get meals. It's already done, right? Okay. And after this, after we get these meals made, we're gonna be talking about Matt's real plan and what's going down. It'll be a quick, kind of like 3-minute interview. You'll see what's going on. All right, so we're here in my upstairs loft. It's a place where I typically do meditations and all that kind of stuff, like mental fitness work up here. But I have Matt next to me, right?
What's up?
We've known each other for about 2 years and 3 months, right? February, 2 years ago.
No, it was in 2019.
Yeah, 2 years.
January 2019.
Okay, so we've known each other for quite a while. I've seen Matt through his ups and downs for sure. And just recently, Matt and I are partnering up on a plan basically to really shift this guy's lifestyle 100%, right? Or 180, should I say, right? So it does hinge on 5 facets that I've always said are really important. So if you're out there and you're wondering, how can I impact my lifestyle the most? I want you to think of these 5 things, and we're going to do a really quick micro interview. He's got a split. So we're going to go through the very first one, which is diet, right? How was your diet before pre-committing to this entire plan? How was your diet? Crazy?
It was okay. It wasn't as clean as this.
Okay.
Sure.
What are we on kind of like right now? What kind of diet are we on? Prescribed?
I would say, yeah, it's a prescribed. It's pretty basic. I would say you got a protein, a carb, and a vegetable every meal. You add avocado. Do a smoothie. I mean, it's not hard stuff. It's not nasty stuff. I mean, it all tastes good. It's easy to eat, and it's healthy, and it doesn't like weigh you down either.
Right. So diet's really important. Trying to eat as clean as possible 90% of the time. And just remember the 90% rule as you go through this video. 90% of the time we're trying to make the right decisions when it comes to eating, right? Now, the diet that we're on also is very, I would think, anabolic in a sense. And that leads us to number 2, which is the workouts. The workouts, how strategic and how dialed are those things?
Good. I'm progressing at pretty much every single workout.
Yeah. So we're progressing in every single workout. Week over week, we are either increasing reps or increasing weight, and it's super strategic to his goals. It is very much a custom plan, basically what I've built for him. It's gonna take about a year, right? 6 months to a year to really see the results that you're looking for, right?
To get that kind of movie star physique, it probably is going to take 12 months, I would think.
Yeah, it's going to take a while.
But, I mean, I'm going to look good before that, but I'm trying to get something that's sustainable till I die.
Right. So that's good. And a lot of my workouts are very sustainable, like doesn't really put you out of the gym very long for injuries or anything like that. And you're not responsible for any ego lifting or going crazy. Everything's kind of prescribed on a sheet, which is nice. So he's got a custom plan that I've built him, which is amazing. But the diet really helps those workouts come to fruition, right?
Right.
As you tear down muscle, as you put added stress onto your body, you have to make sure that you really replenish, through diet, the hard work that you put in. So now this leads us to number 3, which is let's call it stress reduction. And active stress reduction really is coming down to meditation, doing the blueprint, which is one of my products coming out soon. We have to work on that. That's a part that we have to work on right now, which is setting time each day for your own kind of mental fitness goals. Mm-hmm. So when you think of mental fitness, Matt, what to the people out there, what is that now to you? Now that you know a little bit about it, what is mental fitness?
Being confident in yourself, staying consistent. It's really just about willpower, honestly, but I mean, most things that bring you down are in your head. So once you can kind of conquer that, it makes all this other stuff pretty easy.
Now, what are some of the activities that you and I do that lead to mental fitness? We have meditation. What are some of the other ones that you've seen us do?
Breathing exercises, journaling, a to-do list, a goal setting list, biking, some form of fun cardio, not, running or on a treadmill or whatever, some kind of fun cardio, and a lot of sun, getting good sunlight every opportunity you can, and maybe doing some grounding work too.
That's right.
You can kind of mix it up, but basically trying to get outside at least an hour to 2 hours every day is a must, I would say.
Cool. So I saw that you said cardio, right? And of course meditation's in there. He said, you know, we talked about all that kind of stuff, but cardio, which leads us to number 4. And doing fun cardio is really important, right? The cardio that he does is not in the gym. It's always on a bike. He's having fun, looking around. We live in Austin, Texas. There's a lot of stuff to look at. We'll say it like that. It's a great town with a pretty lake and active people everywhere, dogs, and just it's a dynamic kind of lifestyle. How can you see yourself not doing that in your life right now?
No, I really need that for my mental health. It really helps being able to go ride, clear your mind. You know, it's just kind of a little midday, early day reset, honestly. And it's good to split it up. Sometimes we ride right after the workouts, but the best way to do it is probably sometime in the afternoon to give yourself a little break. And then you almost get a little, you get a little bit more, I don't know, I say it probably gives you a midday, it calms you down a little bit more and gets, you know, get rid of any more stress or anxiety that you may have built up after your workout and the lunchtime. So. Yeah.
So, as he's kind of portraying it, there's a day full of, like, you know, mental fitness activity, physical fitness activity, diet planning, doing some cardio, and of course at the end of that you get tired, right? Mm-hmm. And you're gonna want to get good sleep, right?
So important.
How is the sleep affecting your mood and your muscle development now that you're really starting to pay attention to it?
I mean, once you get a couple weeks under your belt, I mean, I hop up out of bed and I'm ready to go. I don't need as much time to get ready as I used to. So I try to get into bed around 11, you know, 11, midnight, whatever. But I mean, that makes you able to get up about 6 or 7. So, and not really, you know, you may every once in a while need a little 30-minute nap in the afternoon, but I would say for the most part I'm energized the whole entire day.
So yeah, that kind of concludes the little mini kind of interview that I want to show you. We're going to follow Matt's journey throughout the videos. If we appear a little kind of like lethargic or down, we literally just went through a crazy workout. Mm-hmm. And we really haven't technically had our first meal of the day or anything, any kind of replenishment at that point. So we're a little drained. But we'll see more of Matt in future BODDAMN videos. We're going to watch his progress as things go down. And if you have a question out there, you know, maybe relating to some of Matt's story or something like that, and we'll get more into Matt's story on future videos. And you'll get to really see what we're doing, considering, I would say, in a nice way, some of the dark parts of your life that you've been through. We're really trying to just flip everything around and show them how great life can be through doing some BODDAMN like lifestyle work. So we appreciate you guys watching this video right now. And if you have a comment or anything, or maybe a question or remark, or something that'll lead us to think about maybe the topics for the next video, please put it down below. But till then, we'll see you on the next BODDAMN video. Take it easy. Goodbye.